Hello students, I am Anita Gupta. We are going to study about matter in our surroundings. In last video, we have studied about 3 states of matter. Other than 3 states of matter, there exist another 2 states of matter which discovered, but lots of research is going on. Fourth one state of matter is plasma. Plasma, it is super energetical and super excited state of matter. For example, in tubelight, helium gas is filled. Helium gas is represent the fourth state of matter. When electric current passes through the tubelight, it will helium gas excited, super excited and glow. And that's why tubelight will glow. Second example is neon sign bulb. Neon sign bulb is also exists plasma state, fourth state of matter, plasma. It is also glowing when current is passing through the neon sign bulb. Now, last one state of matter, it is Bose-Einstein condensate, BES. When gas is low density and we have to supercool the gas, it exists fifth state of matter, Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose and Einstein, two scientists, and combine the one name of state of matter, Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC. Now next topic is diffusion and compressibility. Diffusion. In last video, I explained diffusion. Diffusion means intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. This activity in last video, we can take a glass of water and add the particles of sugar. So sometime after, what we have to see, all the sugar particles are dissolved in water, and we see the level of the water does not change. Why? Because particles of sugar is divided into fine particles, and these fine particles are take place between the water particle. Means in mixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. Rate of diffusion increases with increasing in temperature. यदि हम टेम्परेचर को बढ़ा देते हैं तो रेट ऑफ डिफ्यूजन क्या हो जाएगा? इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. लेट्स सी वन एक्टिविटी. We take two water, two beaker, and one filled with hot water and one filled with cold water, and added some sugar particles. So sometime after, we see hot water sugar particles are dissolved very fast, and cold water sugar particles are not dissolved very fast. Why? Because when we take temperature, when we increase the temperature, vibrating of the molecules are increasing. Means moving of the molecule increasing means kinetic energy pauses. काइनेटिक एनर्जी होने से क्या होगा कि जो टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे तो मॉलिक्यूल्स की स्पीड भी बढ़ जाएगी और काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ जाएगी, जिससे क्या होगा कि जो शुगर पार्टिकल्स हैं वो हॉट वाटर में बहुत जल्दी डिसॉल्व हो जाएंगे. एंड कोल्ड वाटर में क्या होगा, टेम्परेचर यदि डिक्रीज है तो उसकी जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी है वो कैसी होगी, लो होगी, और जो मॉलिक्यूल्स की स्पीड है वो भी कैसी होगी, बहुत स्लो होगी. इसलिए जो शुगर पार्टिकल्स हैं वेरी स्लोली एंड डिसॉल्व होंगे. नाउ प्रोसीड. some example. See, in solid, diffusion in solid is very least. For example, take two ice cubes and we have to join together. We see both the cubes of the ice are joined. Understand? Now, sometime after they melt and separated each other. Now, second one, in liquid, diffusion is high. For example, when alcohol dissolve in water. So, alcohol and water, both the property are same. That's why alcohol is not visible in water. Both are intermixing to each other, and we cannot visible to alcohol, particles of alcohol and particles of water. Now third one is in gaseous state, diffusion is very highest. For example, oxygen in water. You know, aquatic animal live in water and they survive in water and take oxygen for breathing. That oxygen they take from water because oxygen gas is dissolved in water. That's why they survive in water. Aquatic animals survive in water. Let's again see temperature increases. ये जो एरो है इसका मतलब होता है हम किसी भी चीज को इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. Temperature is increases, speed of molecules are increases, and kinetic energy is also increases. Temperature is decrease, temperature is cool, speed is also slow, and kinetic energy also slow. In short, diffusion is increasing in temperature, diffusion increasing with increasing temperature. Diffusion decreases with decreasing in temperature. Now let's see compressibility. Compressibility means press the particles of the molecules. We can press the gas molecules, but we cannot press the solid molecules because solid has definite shape and volume. For example, pen, pencil, box, any one we have to press, it does not change the shape. Let's see a small one activity. We take two jars and we dissolve chalk powder in one beaker. We dissolve chalk powder in one beaker and take in another beaker we have to take gas. See, chalk powder molecules are very close to each other. They have not interatomic space between them. That's why we have to use the piston. It does not press the chalk powder because chalk powder is solid in solid state. But gas molecules fill in this beaker and we have to press the piston. So these gas molecules have much more interatomic space. So when we have to press the piston, gas molecules are compressed. गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या हो जाएंगे? कंप्रेस्ड हो जाएंगे, प्रेस हो जाएंगे. इनका वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा बिकॉज गैस does not definite volume and definite shape. Both are not definite. Definite shape and volume. So that's why solid has incompressible and gas has high compressibility. Compressible, you see CNG gas कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस। कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस आपने नाम सुना होगा, जो व्हीकल्स में यूज किया जाता है। जो सिलेंडर होता है उसमें सीएनजी गैस फिल की जाती है प्रेस करके, कंप्रेस करके, और जब कंप्रेस किया जाता है तो उसमें एक प्रेशर बन जाता है, और जब उसको लिड को ऑन किया जाता है, उसका प्रेशर रिलीज करते हैं, तो जो सीएनजी है वो गैस फॉर्म में क्या होती है, रिलीज होती है। लाइक एलपीजी वी हैव टू यूज इन आवर हाउस फॉर कुकिंग फूड। एलपीजी मीन्स लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस। लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस also filled in cylinder in liquid form with compressed। जब कंप्रेस करके लिक्विड फॉर्म में पेट्रोलियम गैस, लिक्विड पेट्रोलियम गैस सिलेंडर में भरी जाती है, और जब उसका हम प्रेशर ऑन करते हैं, रिलीज करते हैं, तो जो लिक्विड पेट्रोलियम गैस है वो गैसियस फॉर्म में रिलीज होती है, जिससे एज अ फ्यूल हम गैस में यूज करते हैं।